I'm Hannah, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a mini aquarium. A mini aquarium lesson is good for preschool and kindergarten kids because it teaches them about the ocean and what kind of creatures or animals or fish are in the ocean, and it'll help them name and identify them. And it's also nice because you can shake it, and it's kind of like a stress relief bottle sort of type deal. So they can shake it and have fun, and there's glitter in it, so it'll be eye-catching. Prior to doing this, you're probably going to want to teach a lesson about the ocean or fish, something to do with that to tie it all in. But today we are going to be needing, the things we will be needing are a mason jar with a ring and a lid, some water, blue food coloring, a spoon, a funnel, a fake aquarium plant that's like plastic, plastic toy fish or like sea animals that are small enough to fit inside the jar, some gravel, some aquarium gravel, and some glitter. And so to start with this project, you're going to want to make your water blue to make it look like the ocean. So you're only going to want to do a few drops because you don't want it to be too dark so that the kids can't see what's inside of it. And then you're going to mix it to the color you like. And I like this color, it's pretty blue. So that was only 2 drops. And then once you have your water, you're going to take your jar and you're going to take some of the gravel and you're going to place it in the jar to get like a first layer down just to cover the bottom. And you're going to want about like an inch of gravel or so because you want it to like be able to keep the plant in. And I bought a full aquarium plant from PetSmart and I cut it up into tinier pieces so it would fit inside the aquarium. Inside the jar, I mean. So once you just get it how you want it, you set it up how you would like in there, and then you're going to take the rest of the gravel and you're going to place it so that it's like supporting the aquarium plants. And you're going to want to make sure that they're all standing when you do this, and this one is not. This is the tricky part. It's probably the hardest part of the whole thing. But, you know, the kids can help you do this, and then it'll be a lot easier, but for myself it's a little harder. But, like, the kids can, like, put the gravel in while you hold the plant, and, or stuff like that. I'm dropping. And you're going to want to probably adjust your plants as they go along because, you know, it's not perfect and they will fall over. It's a very tiny space that you're working with. So, they are likely. It looks like mine are going to stand up though. That's good. And you're just going to want to add some the gravel until you feel like your plants can stand on their own. It doesn't have to be exactly an inch, like I said before. And I think, oh, this one. And I think I'm going to call that good. And so then you're going to take your fish, or your crabs, or your sharks, or your whales, or whatever you have, and you're going to want to place them at the front of the jar so that way they're visible to the kids. That way they can see them. Then when you have them placed how you want, and I like that, so we're going to keep it like that, you're going to take a funnel and your water, and you're going to pour that into the jar until it's full. And then once you do that, you're going to want to take the glitter and you're going to add some glitters to make it look like, you know, it's like sparkling. And you can use your spoon to mix that in. Once you added as much glitter as you would like, you're going to take the lid, and I already wrote on mine, it says Hannah's Mini Aquarium, so that way the kids don't get confused who's the suit. You're going to tie it up, or, yeah. And then you're done, and you have a mini aquarium.